Great! Here's day 7 of your 90-day English grammar course. Day 7. Use of is am are in present tense. हाल में is am are का इस्तेमाल. Where to use is am are. कहाँ इस्तेमाल होते हैं? Is, am, are present tense forms of the verb to be. Is, am, are मौजूदा हालत present को जाहिर करने के लिए होता है. Helping verb table. Subject, helping verb. I am, he, she, it. Singular noun is you, we, they. Plural noun, are, on. Affirmative sentences. Structure. Subject is am, are, noun, adjective, other information. Examples. I am a student. मैं एक तालिब इल्म हूँ. She is a doctor. वो एक doctor है. They are happy. वो खुश हैं. 2. Negative sentences. Subject is am, are, noun, adjective, other info. Examples. I am not tired. He is not a teacher. वो उस्ताद नहीं है. We are not late. हम देर से नहीं हैं. Structure is am, are, subject, noun, noun, adjective, other info. Examples. Am I right? क्या मैं सही हूँ? Is she your sister? क्या वो तुम्हारी बहन है? Are they ready? क्या वो तैयार हैं? हद्दी. Common uses. Urdu अब तालिब इल्म है. He is at home. वो घर पर है. I am fine. मैं ठीक हूँ. We are friends. हम दोस्त हैं. She is not sad. वो अदास नहीं है. Are you a student? क्या आप तालिब इल्म हैं? 1. Make 5 affirmative sentences using is, am, are. 5 मुस्बत जुमले बनाएं. 2. Make 5 negative sentences using is, am, are. 5 मनफी जुमले बनाएं. 3. Make 5 interrogative sentences using ism, are. 5 सवालिया जुमले बनाएं. 4. Translate these into English. मैं खुश हूँ. वो डॉक्टर नहीं है. क्या हम दोस्त हैं? Let me know when you're ready for day 8.